My name is Jermaine Sarani, and I am very good with my hands because my dad has been working in the construction site for over 20 years, and I have learnt from skills from him.
My name is Jordan. I'm the thinker of this group, and I come up with great ideas on how to build the solar car.
Kabaz, I'm really good with technology, and my dad is an electrician, so he can help teach me with the solar wiring of the...
Hello, my name is Peter, and I'm the leader of this group. I have the tools, the facilities, and the needs to build this car. I have a brother who last year he came first in Sydney and moved over to Melbourne and unfortunately did not succeed. I hope to strive that goal with my team, Jordan Samrani, Jermaine Samrani, and Joey Kabaz.
Hi, we're SMCCSB.
Hi, my name is Peter Casillas and I'm the leader of this group.
Hi, my name is Jessica Baz, and I'm the technician of this group.
Hello, my name is Jermaine Samrani, and I'm the builder of this group.
Hi, my name is Jordan. I'm the thinker of this group.
Some of the positives in this group are:
We are in the same homeroom.
We are really good friends.
my dad owns a garage,
And we live close to each other.